Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Lessons. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here with us today, practicing your English with us.
On this podcast, we help you practice real, simple English with slow, clear conversations so you can understand and speak more confidently.
And today's topic is one you will use again and again in real life. From the beginning, we want to tell you, our topic today is how to talk about yourself in English, easy introductions for beginners.
Yes, this question comes all the time. Can you tell me about yourself? You hear it in a new class, in a new job, or when you meet new people.
And it can feel a little scary. Sometimes you think, what should I say? What is important?
So in this episode, we'll show you simple ideas and easy sentences you can use. We'll also talk about what you like and don't like so you can sound more natural.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to English Daily Lessons and like this video.
And if you can, please share it with a friend who is learning English. It helps us a lot, and it helps them too. All right, Sarah, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it. So, Charlie, let's practice. I'll ask you like a real conversation. Charlie, tell me about yourself.
Oh, wow, right away. Okay, where should I start?
Let's begin with something very easy. Your name.
Sure, my name is Charlie, Charley.
Nice to meet you, Charlie. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. All right, next basic question. Where are you from?
Good one. I'm from the United Kingdom.
The UK. Nice. I'm from Canada.
Very cool. Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a small town. It's quiet and calm, not many cars, not many people, but it's peaceful, and I like that.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small house. It has a little garden in the back. I love sitting there with a cup of tea.
That sounds very relaxing. I live in an apartment. It's not huge, but it's cozy and comfortable.
Nice. Okay, so we have name, where you're from, and where you live. Let's add something many people use in introductions. Age.
Yes, if you feel comfortable. You don't always have to say it, but it's very common for beginners.
All right, I'll go first. I'm 30 years old.
And I'm 27 years old.
Perfect. So now we know name, country, city or town, and age.
Now, the big question people often ask, what do you do?
I am an English teacher. I teach students how to use English in real life, and I also teach here on English Daily Lessons. I really enjoy my job.
And I'm a student. I study design and media. I like creating beautiful things and working on creative projects.
That's awesome. So we have a teacher and a design student, a good team for a podcast.
Exactly. So far, we've talked about name, where we're from, where we live, age, job or studies.
These are excellent first things to say when someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
We already know the basics about each other.
In the next part, we'll go a little deeper and talk about our families and pets so you can learn even more useful sentences for your own introduction. All right, let's keep going. Another very common part of introductions is talking about your family.
Yes, people love to ask, do you have any brothers or sisters? Or tell me about your family.
So, Sarah, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one older brother. His name is Adam. He is older or younger than you?
He's older. He's 30. We're pretty close. We talk a lot and joke a lot.
That's nice. I have one younger sister. Her name is Lena. She's still at university.
Oh, what does she study?
She studies computer science. She likes programming and building things on the computer.
Wow, that's a useful skill. A designer, a teacher, and a programmer. Your family can start a company.
Maybe one day.
Let's talk a little about parents, too. Charlie, what do your parents do?
My mother works as a nurse in a hospital. She takes care of patients and works very hard. My father is a mechanic. He fixes cars.
A very helpful family, a nurse and a mechanic. What about your parents, Sarah?
My mom is a primary school teacher. She teaches little children how to read and write. My dad is a chef. He works in a restaurant and cooks amazing food.
A chef at home? Ugh, that sounds wonderful. Does he cook for you a lot?
Yes, very often. The food at home is usually delicious.
I'm officially jealous.
Now, one of my favorite topics, pets. Do you have any pets, Charlie?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
A dog. What's his name?
His name is Max. He's small, brown, and always happy. He loves to play and go for walks.
That sounds adorable. I really want to meet Max.
Maybe one day. Do you have a pet, Sarah?
Yes, I have a cat.
Of course, a dog person and a cat person.
It's true. Her name is Luna. She's black and white, very quiet, and she sleeps most of the day.
A classic cat life. Sleep, eat, look cute.
Exactly.
So now we know about name, place, job, family, and pets. That's already a great introduction.
But to really show your personality, it's nice to talk about your favorite things, like food, colors, and animals.
Yes. In the next part, we'll talk about favorite food, colors, animals, and hobbies, so you can make your introductions more fun and interesting.
Let's move to something everyone loves, favorite things. This is a great way to make your introduction more friendly and fun.
Let's start with food. Sarah, what's your favorite food?
That's a hard question. I like many foods, but I think my number one favorite is pasta.
Pasta, nice choice. I love pasta too. My favorite food is probably pizza.
Pasta and pizza. Very good, team.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like pizza with vegetables, tomatoes, peppers, mushrooms.
Sounds healthy and delicious. I like a classic pepperoni pizza sometimes.
Okay. Next easy question. Favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky on a clear day. It feels calm to me.
Blue is a nice, peaceful color. My favorite color is green, like trees and grass. I love the colors of nature.
Blue and green together, sky and forest.
What about your favorite animal?
That's easy for me. My favorite animal is the dog, of course, especially because of Max. Dogs are loyal and friendly.
I knew you would say that. My favorite animal is the cat. They're quiet, elegant, and a bit independent.
Elegant is a good word for cats. They're like little kings and queens of the house.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about hobbies, the things we do for fun.
Right. So what are your hobbies, Sarah?
Wait, I'll ask you first.
Okay. I'm a design student, so one of my hobbies is drawing and painting. I also like to read books, especially stories with adventure.
Nice. Reading is a great hobby. You can learn and relax at the same time.
What about you, Charlie? What are your hobbies? I have a few. I love listening to music, especially old rock and some soft pop. I also like to play football with my friends on the weekend.
So you're active and musical. That's a good combination.
I try. I also enjoy watching movies, especially comedies. I love to laugh.
Me too. Laughing is the best. I like animated movies as well. They're so creative and fun to watch.
So now we know favorite foods, colors, animals, and hobbies. These details make your About Me much more interesting.
In the next part, we'll talk about things we don't like and show you how to put everything together into a simple introduction you can use anywhere.
All right, let's talk about something different. Things we don't like. This also helps people understand us better.
Yes, likes and dislikes show your personality. So, Charlie, what's a food you don't like?
Hmm, I don't like olives very much. The taste is just not for me.
Really? I actually like olives.
See, we're different again. For me, I don't like very spicy food. A little bit spicy is okay, but if it's extremely hot, I can't enjoy it.
Yes, very, very spicy food can be difficult.
Is there an activity you don't like?
I really don't like waiting in long lines. It's so boring.
I agree. I also don't like waking up very early. I'm not a morning person. I love my sleep. I understand completely. Sleep is important.
So, this is a great way to describe yourself. You can say who you are, what you do, what you like, and what you don't like.
For example, I can say, my name is Charlie. I'm an English teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives.
And I can say, hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a design student. I love cats and pasta, but I don't like waking up early.
These are short, friendly introductions. Very simple, but very clear.
And you don't need to say everything every time. You can choose depending on the situation.
For example, in an English class, you might say, my name is, I'm from, and I want to improve my English.
At a party, you might say, hi, I love listening to music and watching movies.
Exactly. The question, tell me about yourself, is not a test. It's an invitation to share a small part of your life.
I like that. An invitation, not something scary.
I really enjoyed learning more about you today, Sarah.
Me too, Charlie. Now I know you're a teacher who loves pizza, blue, and your dog Max.
And I learned that you're a design student who loves pasta, the color green, and your sleepy cat Luna.
It was a very successful tell me about yourself conversation.
I hope it was helpful for everyone listening, too.
Remember, you can use these simple sentences to talk about yourself. Keep it easy, clear, and friendly.
And don't forget to add a smile when you introduce yourself. People will feel more comfortable with you.
Now, before we go, we have our question of the day for you. In the comments, please tell us about yourself in 1 or 2 sentences. You can write, for example, my name is, I am from, or I like, or my favorite food is. Anything simple is okay.
We would love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Daily Lessons, give this video or podcast a like, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Yes, thank you. It was a pleasure. Stay safe, keep smiling, and keep practicing your English.
We'll be back soon with another fun English conversation.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.